السلام علیکم۔ اس ویڈیو میں ہم علامہ محمد اقبال کا جو کلاس 9 کا جو چیپٹر تھا اس میں ایکسرسائز میں جو گرامر پورشن رہ گیا تھا وہ آج ہم دیکھیں گے۔ کویشچن ہے ڈسکس اقبالز یوتھ ود ریفرنس ٹو ٹوڈیز پاکستانی یوتھ، رائٹ اے پیراگراف آف ایٹ لیسٹ 100 words۔ Iqbal led the Muslim minorities of India from the front. Pakistan is sagacious to have a poet that is revered not only within the country but also in other parts of the world, especially in Iran, India, Turkey, and countries which got independence from USSR. Iqbal's poetry encompasses almost all major segments of life. Among others, the major section of society that he tried to energize was the youth. He described youth as an eagle. Youngsters provide the leadership that lead the nation to the height of self-determination. Iqbal's notion of leadership is best exemplified in his concept of Mard-e-Momin, that is, the perfect man. Iqbal says of him, نرم دم گفتگو گرم دم جستجو رزم ہو یا بزم ہو پاک دل و پاک باز. He, Momin, is mild in speech and wild in action, be it battlefield or the assembly of friends. He is pure of heart and action. He also says افراد کے ہاتھوں میں ہے اقوام کی تقدیر، ہر فرد ہے ملت کے مقدر کا ستارہ. The destiny of nations is vested with the individual. Similarly, every person belonging to the Muslim Ummah is its destiny's star. But today, the youth of Pakistan is being used for various political and religious objectives. It is time to become conscious of the sensitivity of the matter. Universities have a number of students' union that are causing annoyance to the administration and to students themselves. Public sectors, universities and colleges are teamed with the organization. Though the students' unions were banned under the verdict given by Supreme Court in 1993, still they are in full bloom. They are causing colossal chaos and terror among those who are committed to their studies and aspire to follow Iqbal's dream for Muslim youth. Currently, the youth of Iqbal is not what Iqbal envisioned it to be. He wanted to see his youth educated, who could pursue a better, bright future instead of bleak, dark one that will lead it to eventual decline. The young generation is not far-sighted like the Shaheen, but is narrow-sighted. It is at odds religiously, ethnically, politically, and socially. Iqbal's Shaheen is also taking drugs, making their lives complex for themselves and for others around them. It is becoming a futile exercise with the passage of time. According to some estimates, there are 8 million people in Pakistan who are addicted to drugs, and most of them are young. Today, the youth of Pakistan is being used for various political and religious objectives. It is time to become conscious of the sensitivity of the matter. Universities have a number of student unions that are causing annoyance to the administration and to the students themselves. Public sector, universities and colleges are teamed with these organizations. Iqbal never wanted to see his youth wasting time and settling political scores. He wanted it to equip itself with the knowledge and find out ways to uplift the standard of life in the light of the Holy Quran. He wanted youngsters to be in people's good books. These are the views of Iqbal about the youth of the nation. Iqbal wants to set higher benchmark for the new generation. He wants to inculcate in them the spirit of innovation and discovery, because youth are to lead and take the nation to the highest of self-determination and independence. The youth of Iqbal is not a thinking Hamlet, but a man of action, mild in speech but enthusiastic in action. Whether he is in the battlefield or in the company of friends, he is pure in head and heart. یہ قوم کے نوجوانوں کے بارے میں اقبال کے خیالات ہیں. اقبال نئی نسل کے لیے اعلیٰ پیمانے قائم کرنا چاہتے ہیں. وہ جدت کی روح اور دریافت ان کو ذہن نشین کرانا چاہتے ہیں کیونکہ نوجوانوں نے رہنمائی کرنی ہے اور قوم کو خود انحصاری اور آزادی کی بلندی تک لے جانا ہے. اقبال کا نوجوان ایک محدود سوچ رکھنے والا نہیں بلکہ مرد عمل ہے جو کہ نرم ہو لیکن عمل پرجوش ہے. وہ میدان جنگ میں ہو یا دوستوں کی محفل میں وہ سوچ و فکر میں پاک ہوتا ہے. یعنی دیکھیں ان کا خود ہی کوئی میننگ نہیں ہے لیکن اگر ہم اس کو کسی ورڈ کے ساتھ لگا دیں تو بھی اس کی میننگز بن جاتی ہے. تو اس سینٹینس میں ان ایک پریفکس ہے. I just can't believe it. The story is unbelievable. یعنی وہ unbelievable یعنی کسی بات پر یقین نہ آنا. No, that answer is incorrect. It is wrong. تو اس میں پریفکس کون سا ہے؟ In. Let's look at this information again. We should review it before the test. اس سینٹینس میں پریفکس ریویو میں ری کا جو ورڈ ہے یہ پریفکس ہے. I saw Alina just a moment ago, but now I can't find her. She just disappeared. اس میں dis پریفکس ہے. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't hear you correctly. I misunderstood you. اس سینٹینس میں مس پریفکس ہے. اب آتے ہیں سفکسز کے سائڈ پر. کمپلیٹ دا ورڈز بائی یوزنگ سفکسز فرام دا لسٹ. سفکسز وہ ہوتے ہیں جو کہ ورڈ کی اینڈ میں یوز ہوتے ہیں اور پریفکسز جو کہ ورڈ کے اسٹارٹ میں یوز ہوتے ہیں. فضیلہ کانٹ اسٹے اسٹل. شی اوے وانٹس ٹو موو. شی از ریسٹ لیس. اس میں ریسٹ لیس جو ہے یہ سفکس ہے. رشیدہ از ویری انٹیلیجنٹ. شی از اڈوریبل. ایبل سفکس. ملیحہ کانٹ ریممبر اینی تھنگ. شی از ویری فارگیٹمنٹ. مینٹ suffix. I appreciate your great attitude. I am really thankful. Full. The best thing about her is her kindness. Ness. Okay, next है fill in the blanks with who, whom, that, which, when, whose, why. There may be more than one correct answer. The shop that I go to is closed. اس سینٹینس میں دیٹ جو ہے وہ بلینک میں لکھ لیں آپ. یور شاپ وچ ول پروبیبلی بی شٹ ڈاؤن نیکسٹ ایئر از ریئلی اولڈ. اس میں یور شاپ وچ ول پروبیبلی کہ اس کو آپ ڈیش میں لکھ لیں. آئی ہیو میٹ موسٹ آف دا پیپل ہو آر ایگر ٹو ٹیک پارٹ ان دا کمپٹیشن. ہو. ڈو یو نو دا ریزن why our offer was rejected? Why? Do you remember the town where you were born in? Where? Okay, next है put the following indefinite pronoun into the correct blanks. Can't you hear that dash is knocking the door? Dash में क्या आएगा? Someone. I was wondering if you would like dash to drink. इस dash में something to drink. The family members have been badly injured in the accident. Is there anyone to help them? Perhaps 4 number. Seema has just checked the internet. However, she couldn't find the article. Article के बाद क्या आएगा? Anywhere आएगा. Unfortunately, this plant is already dead and there is dash में आएगा nothing we can do about it. है choose the appropriate option to complete the sentence. Number 1. We all told the boss that we wanted to have our salaries paid in advance, but he just ignored us आएगा. When the man asked me how I had got his address, I told him that I was given it by a relative of me, his or him. Him आएगा. Number 3. Although no one in the room seemed to follow, they said by speaker, he never intended to simplify his language. इसमें आएगा anything said by the speaker. 4 है I hope you will enjoy yourself at the reunion party his weekend because I won't be able to be there myself. Fifth है we decided to do all the cooking dish instead of hiring a catering company for the party of our own oneself by ourselves. Okay, underline the pronoun in each sentences below. Circle the antecedent the pronoun refers to. Saima walked to the park. She enjoyed jumping on the trampoline. यहाँ पर pronoun है she. Shama loves to walk on the beach. She watches the sunset often. Dawood enjoys playing basketball. He knows that it is his favorite sport. Abrar, Jamal, and Manan enjoy playing cricket. They love teamwork. The shopper couldn't find his car in the parking lot. His. Okay, next है anaphoric and cataphoric references. I want to explain the same definition. Anaphoric references means that a word in a text refers back to their ideas in the text for its meanings. So, anaphoric and cataphoric is same like see, come to page number 23 on your book. For example, I went out the Jamil on Sunday. She looked confused. She is used in the place of Jamila. So here Jamila is anaphoric reference for she. Next है cataphoric reference. Cataphoric reference means that a word in a text refers to another letter in the text and you need to look forward to understand. I mean, cataphoric reference, we look the pronoun that for what the pronoun stand. For example, when he arrived, Ashraf noticed that the door was open. In this example, the pronoun he is cataphoric reference because it refers to the noun Ashraf that is introduced later in the text.